So this is a SnoPro snowmobile trailer that I picked up. It's used, and I've been starting to take out the track pads and the guides so that I can get it cleaned up. Took some out last night, and having a little bit of trouble with the screws. They look like they're Torx bits, and about the closest thing that I can find is T20, but the T20 just kind of spins in there. If I try going bigger, doesn't fit. Try going smaller, again, it just spins. But they definitely look like Torx, but it's just not working. So not sure what's going on there. So what I was doing last night to get them out is just taking my Sawzall with a metal cutting blade and cutting them off flush with the floor. As you can see, I still have quite a few to do. Yeah, that wasn't ideal. Yikes. All right, well, good thing I got another one there. Let's keep going. So it's interesting, over here we have like a hex head, and then look at the square bit heads over on these ones. So I'm going to try to get those out with the drill and the appropriate bit. I think I can get those out. That would save a lot of time rather than cutting everything. I think it's just this track here has still got the Torx, quasi-Torx bit screws. And then I don't know what's down on the ramp. We'll see what we can get down there, but we're getting there. All right, got it quickly vacuumed out, just the big stuff, and time for the pressure washer. I don't know if you can see it, but the pressure washer is really cutting into that grime and soot and whatever else is on these floors. Really doing a nice job. I got this all cleaned off here, and that you can see with the pressure washer just cleared that right off. Nice. This here I believe is from the exhaust from a snowmobile. I don't think much of that's going to come up. Same thing over there. I am going to go grab some Dawn dishwashing liquid, put that on there, just give it a little scrub, But really this is just to kind of clean out all the dirt over there along the edge. Get all that, get in the tracks, and just push everything out to the back. But that looks pretty damn good, I think. All right, we'll let that dry out for a little bit. Look inside here. Looks quite a bit better. So like I said, we'll come back and check it out when it's all dry. Well, it's been a couple of hours. It's all dried out, and wow, what a difference. I mean, it's so much brighter. Now that all that grime is off the floor, it looks really good. Still got those stains there, but wow, that looks so much better.